Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Suns and Print. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock and unlock cells or sheets in Excel, whether we are protecting our formulas, preventing any accidental edits or securing our sensitive data. This tutorial has got we all covered. Locking cells in Excel is not just about security, it's about controlling what can or cannot be changed in workbook, right? So let's see what's the importance of locking our cells. First of all, prevent from any unwanted edits. When working with the large spreadsheet, it's easy to accidentally overwrite important data or formulas. Locking cells helps ensure that critical part of our sheet stays untouched. Manage permission for shared workbook means when we work in the large organization and we share the file with our colleagues, but we don't want them to make any changes in that particular sheet. They can review the workbook, but they can't make any changes on that time. We can protect our sheet by locking the cells, right? And then it helps us our data from any we can say it protect our formulas, right? And it enhances the integrity, means by locking or protecting certain cells, it can ensure that our reports dashboards are reliable, so everyone can reliable on that particular report, so they know no one can make the changes in that report. So it enhances the integrity, right? So let's see how we can lock our sheet. So first of all, by default all cells in Excel are locked. It only works when we protect our sheet, means, so let's see. So by right click you can see format cells, click here. So here under the protection we can see all the cells are locked, right? So it only works when we protect our sheet. Under the review tab, go to protect sheet, and then if you want to put any password, you can put the password or you can skip it, right? So when we protect our sheet, it won't allow us to make any changes, right? So how to unprotect it? Unprotect, put the same password here if you have put any password, and then our sheet is unprotected. So this is like when we lock the entire sheet. So if you want to lock only some particular data, so here I only want to lock from here to here, right? But I don't want to lock rest of the part. So what we need to do, we need to select everything and then right click again and then format cells, and then we can unlock everything first, right? Everything is unlocked now. Now select that particular data which you want to make locked. Again right click, format cells, and then you can lock this one. Tick this one, click OK, right? Now we can protect our sheet. If you want to put the password, put the password here, otherwise you can skip it. Now we have protected our data from here to here. Whatever I have selected here, this data is protected. Let's see if it's really protected. So here if I want to make any changes, it don't allow me to make any changes, right? Or we haven't protected this data, so can we make any changes here? Yes, we can make the changes here. So in this way we can protect our specific cells, right? So to unprotect this one, again click on go to review tab, unprotect sheet, put the password here, click OK, right? Our data is unprotected now, so we can make the changes whatever we want. So we have got covered how to lock the entire sheet and how to lock some certain cells by selecting some columns or the rows, right? But now how we can lock the cells that are in some particular color. So in this sheet I do have some cells that are colored in green. I want to lock these colored cells, right? So how can I do that one? What we need to do, we need to go to the home tab and then find and select, click find under the options, right? So go to format, click here, and then under the fill option we need to find the same color. We need to match the color with our cells color, right? So this is the same color. Click OK. Once we click OK, find all, it will find all the cells here. See, so it has find all the cells here. What we need to do, we need to select by clicking Control by then it will select all the cells that are colored in this color, right? And then close this one. When we close this one, what we need to do, we need to right click here and then format cells, right? Under the protection we need to click lock and then click OK, and then go to review tab, protect our sheet, put the password here if you want to put. If you want to skip, you can skip it. So now our cells, the light green cells, these are locked. Let's see if it really worked. So select any of the cell and then try to make any changes. We can't make any changes because these are locked. So this like in yellow ones, let's say yellow ones, we haven't selected this one, right? So we can make the changes here. In the white cells, can we make any changes? Let's check this one. Yes, we can make the changes here because only the cells which are in colored green, those are locked, right? So in this way we can use the find and replace button, and then we can make the changes by selecting a particular color and then lock the cells, right? Hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and then I'll come with the new video soon. Thanks for now. Bye.